Prince Harry may appeal against a ruling on his security arrangements in the UK for a specific purpose. The Home Office's decision to alter the Duke of Sussex's personal protection level while visiting the UK was challenged in the High Court on Wednesday, but the Duke's challenge was unsuccessful. After learning that he would not receive the same degree of publicly financed protection while in the country, Harry filed a lawsuit against the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures decision from February 2020. In the lawsuit, he stated that because of the negative sentiment directed against him and his spouse Meghan Markle on social media and the constant harassment he received from the media, he and his family were in danger while traveling to the UK. However, retired High Court Judge Sir Peter Lane dismissed the Duke's argument in a verdict on February 28 and said that the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures methodology was neither unjust nor unfair. Lane wrote the following in a 51-page decision that was heavily redacted to preserve Harry's and other public figures' identities and security plans. Insofar as the case-by-case approach may otherwise have caused difficulties, they have not been shown to be such as to overcome the high hurdle so as to render the decision-making irrational. Eleanor Coleman, a senior solicitor at Legal Expert, has now provided comments on the most recent decision and outlined the rationale for Harry's team's appeal. She asserted that the ruling effectively curtails the government's liability if the Duke is ever involved in an accident or something similar to the paparazzi's notorious pursuit of him in New York in 2023, or the incident that occurred in London in 2021 when the royal was pursued by photographers following an event at Kew Gardens with gravely ill children. However, Harry will probably still be protected when he visits the nation, given the Home Office's stance on offering bespoke security. But as it stands, the ruling restricts their liability in the event that the prince has an incident, like the 2021 paparazzi chase. The Home Office might contend that they were not at fault if the prince was hurt in a repeat event, which is possibly why Harry's legal team wants to appeal the decision. Meanwhile, the Home Office was happy with the ruling and was thinking about its next course of action. It did not specify what such actions might be, although it might ask for payment for the legal bills it incurred in winning the case. Harry has voiced complaints that if sufficient safety precautions were not taken, his children, Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet, would not feel comfortable in the UK. Do you think Prince Harry is right to appeal against the ruling? Let us know what you think in the comments. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the Royal Secrets channel.